Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the websites that you can use to actually make some money on the side. Well, of course this website is not going to make you crazy money. Let's just get that out of the way first. But if you have some spare time and you want to work on some side gigs to actually make some money that can pay for your, let's say, Netflix subscription or Spotify or whatever the case might be, then this is one of the websites that you are looking at. The website is called Neevo AI, and it also offers multiple jobs in the AI space. There's like multiple things that you can do within the platform. We'll get to that in a second, but mostly there are jobs in data annotation, labeling, as you can see. Mostly these are the tasks that you will be doing on this platform. Also there are some translation and transcription tasks, so you are looking at transforming text to audio and vice versa as well. And what is most preferably for this platform is that you can speak multiple languages. So if you are bilingual or you speak more than 2-3 languages maybe, then you can find multiple tasks in the transcription translation roles. So yeah, this is just the homepage of this website, and I can tell you this website is actually legit because I've used it before and I've tried it and tested it before making this video. So without further ado, you will find the link in the description down below. All you need to do, click on it, and it will take you to this homepage of Neevo. What you need to do is just click on join today up top and create your brand new account. Once you are here, just fill in your first name, last name, email, password, or use one of these to actually log in right away. And once you create your account, this will be the dashboard, and as you can see, it says no jobs available, but most of the jobs that you will have or receive will be via email, so keep on the lookout for that. But before you will actually receive any type of job, you need to set up your profile. So go ahead and click on profile settings, and in your profile settings, make sure to add everything that you have in here. So add your first name, last name, the country of your residence, the city, and most importantly, head to the languages, abilities, and in here add all the languages that you can speak. If you are bilingual, then add your languages. If you speak more than 2 languages, then add all of them in here. Also, make sure to add your level of education. So if you got a degree, please add that in here because it will increase your chances of getting jobs. Once you are done with the profile tab, click on the notification tab and check this option right here. This will allow you to receive, again, job news or notification in your email when there is a job. So make sure to check this one out. And lastly, go to your payment and link your PayPal because that's the payment method they offer in order to receive your payments, of course. Let's just head back to the dashboard. Once you added your languages, click on the skill and badges tab right here, and you need to finish these tests in the languages that you have added earlier. So if you added Spanish, you will have a Spanish test right here. If you added French, you will have French in here. I've added Arabic, so I had to actually take the Arabic test in the dialect that I've chosen, of course, because there's like multiple dialects. So I had to pass that one. I had to pass that one. So in each languages that you add, you need to pass the tests in order to actually get the tasks or get jobs on this platform. Once you do this, you will receive jobs. Again, like I said before, this is just some of the jobs that I had done or I had on this platform. And as you can see, multiple of these are just translation transcription tasks, and this one is actually currently active. Let me see if there's like any tasks left on this one, and surprisingly there is some tasks in here. And obviously the instructions and everything is in Arabic, so you probably would not understand, but you will see a different variation in your own language. So if you choose in Spanish, probably you will see a Spanish one, French, and so on. And if I want to actually give you the basic rundown of this task, you will be given a couple or multiple TTS audios, and you need to actually rate them according to the instructions that you had given. And obviously there are no tasks, I guess, so they all of them are just been taken, but you will have to rate them according to the instructions, the instructions that you are given right here. So these are the instructions. And yeah, you just follow the instructions and just rate those TTS audios. It's just straightforward. It does not really require that much of a skill or much of an experience. Like, everybody can do it. So for this particular task, if I'm not mistaken, they were paying 3 cents for each audio that you submit or that you rate, and you can pretty much do like 100 in an hour. So I just had to test it out for myself, test the website is just functioning, all of that, before making this video. So I had to do this beforehand, and just to show you when there are some available options or some available work. You will be emailed a couple emails just like these from Neevo themselves, and you will be having a job code, and once you click on it, it will take you directly to the job, and you can start working on it. And you are looking at a frequent active website that actually offers some decent, again, pay on the side once you just start working with them. So again, like I mentioned in the intro, it will not make you crazy money, but it will pay definitely your subscription for the month if you are spending money on entertainment subscriptions. Once you make enough money within the platform, I do believe that the minimum withdrawal is $10. So once you actually reach $10, they will give that to you via PayPal. So yeah, this is it, guys. It was just simple review about this website. You can really start working with Neevo without any experience at all. And just for reference, there are multiple tasks that pays more than the ones that I showed you. It's just that most of the tasks that I have are just the translation and the transcription side of things. So if you got annotation tasks, those are more well paid, and you probably should work on them as well. Alrighty, guys, this was just a quick video about Neevo AI. The link will be in the description down below. If you have any questions about this website, leave it in the comment section down below. And as usual, subscribe and like this video. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.